Pawcatuck River and westerly. Wind from Thursday afternoon to Saturday afternoon. Impacts include at 7.0 feet. Minor land flooding occurs along the Pawcatuck River. Along Route 3 in Hopkinton, flood waters encroach on lowest lying homes in French Village. At 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Wednesday, the stage was 6.5 feet. Forecast: the river will oscillate around flood stage with a maximum value of 7.4 feet early Friday morning. Flood stage is 7.0 feet. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. Flood watch remains in effect from this evening through Thursday morning. Flooding caused by rain and snowmelt continues to be possible. Areas affected include Rhode Island and southeastern portions of Massachusetts. Wind from this evening through Thursday morning. Impacts include excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Flooding may occur in poor drainage and urban areas. A period of heavy rain combined with snowmelt Wednesday night into Thursday morning may cause street and poor drainage flooding along with rises on area rivers, creeks, and streams. Localized flooding also will be favored where heavy rain falls on clogged storm drains. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. Flood warning in effect from late tonight until further notice. Minor flooding is forecast. Areas affected include Pawtuxet River and Cranston. Wind from late tonight until further notice. Impacts include at 10.0 feet. Flooding will occur along Pioneer Avenue, Ellis Street, and Victoria Avenue in Warwick. Some homes are impacted on Avery Road and Wellington Avenue in Cranston. At 10:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Wednesday, the stage was 7.9 feet. Forecast: the river will rise above flood stage just after midnight tonight to 10.3 feet early tomorrow afternoon. It will then fall early Friday morning. It will rise to 10.0 feet Friday evening. It will then fall again but remain above flood stage. Flood stage is 9.0 feet. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. Flood warning in effect from Thursday morning to early Saturday morning. Minor flooding is forecast. Areas affected include Wood River and Hope Valley. Wind from Thursday morning to early Saturday morning. Impacts include at 6.0 feet in Richmond. The Wood River renders portions of Wood River Drive and Wood River Circle impassable. In Hopkinton, the Wood River floods sections of Dow Park off of Main Street. At 11:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Wednesday, the stage was 3.5 feet. Forecast: the river is expected to rise above flood stage late tomorrow morning to a crest of 5.8 feet tomorrow evening. It will then fall below flood stage Friday evening. Flood stage is 5.0 feet. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. Flood warning in effect from Thursday afternoon to Saturday afternoon. Minor flooding is forecast. Areas affected include Pawcatuck River and westerly. Wind from Thursday afternoon to Saturday afternoon. Impacts include at 7.0 feet. Minor land flooding occurs along the Pawcatuck River. Along Route 3 in Hopkinton, flood waters encroach on lowest lying homes in French Village. At 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Wednesday, the stage was 6.5 feet. Forecast: the river will oscillate around flood stage with a maximum value of 7.4 feet early Friday morning. Flood stage is 7.0 feet. http://www.weather.gov/.